Sherry or Awujale to ye. True, yeah, there's possibility. I'm 1 to 2 years go to Awujale, and it's a pity because I don't understand the reason why our government you just want to be using everything to play politics. Why? Our citizens know say. The Fushebua, you gave them time láti appoint àwọn ọmọ oyè, which they did. Wọ́n gbé àwọn ọmọ oyè tí wọ́n select, wọ́n kó wọn lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn afọbajẹ. Because of 1 or 2 person tell me interest lórí government wa dá gbogbo ẹ̀rú. Rójútùú. Wọ́n ní bribery or something. Now, our Nigerian police is invite gbogbo àwọn afọbajẹ to be kingmaker. Ẹlẹ́kìn kálẹ̀ tàn yẹn fún wa. The invitation letter, the State Criminal Investigation Department in Abeokuta is investigating a case bribery and financial endorsement in which there is a need to obtain some clarification from you. You are therefore kindly requested to report at the State Criminal Investigation Department in Abeokuta, Ogun State on Thursday, 5th February 2026. For an interview, the Deputy Commissioner of Police State Criminal Investigation Department. This is the fact-finding invitation to the investigation confirmed on the Nigerian police by the combined provision of Section 214 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1989, as amended, and Section 4 of the Police Act 2020. Adewonkosi Chief Rashid Adesoya Olisa of Ijebu-Ode. Oba Ijebu-Ode ogun lo ko ni sinsin. Now the kingmaker now, because they are now talking about bribery. Àwọn kan gba riba, àwọn kan gba kiloke. See, we all know how government play their game. Because they know ta ló wà in charge the police, government. Ta ló wà in charge the court, government. They can do anything they want to do. But I just believe that láti appoint Awujale eléyìí difficult tó bá jẹ́ pé government ò ní interest wọn already láti dàrú. Èèyàn tó jáde tó report, they are talking about wọ́n ní kí àwọn ọmọ yìí san 30 million. And the kingmaker has said, okay, àwọn ti reconcile, wọ́n ti jọ jókòó, wọ́n ti return owó yìí. Owó tó gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọmọ yìí nìyẹn. So what else did government want again? Kí ni nǹkan tí Ogun state government ń fẹ́? Kí ni nǹkan tí Dàpọ̀ Abíọ́dún fẹ́? Why tí wọ́n ṣe allow àwọn kingmaker láti ṣe nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe? This is getting too much. It's not every time you guys use everything to you don't use everything to play politics now. Ṣé dandan ni? Now, ọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́pàá tuntun wọ́n sì, there was a time tó ní àwọn DSS wọ́n ti gbé wọn lọ sí EFCC, wọ́n ti ní kó ṣe investigation, wọ́n dẹ̀ tí ṣe investigation látijọ́ wọ́n ti rí nǹkan tó yẹ kó rí. Àti serious in country yìí. Aṣáàrí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́yọ̀ state nígbà tó fẹ́ yan Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́. Èyí tí gómìnà padà fílẹ̀ náà ló padà jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. But ẹ jẹ́ ká rántí pé late Síkírù Káyọ̀dé Adétọ̀nà ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ pé ẹni tó bá jẹ́ olè jẹgúdújẹrá àjẹfẹ́ politician, because politician máa destroy ibẹ̀ yẹn ni, ó máa bà ibẹ̀ yẹn jẹ́ ni. Because I don't understand the reason why tí ẹ ṣe lè allow kí àwọn afọbajẹ yan ọmọ oyè tó yẹ kí wọ́n yàn. Ibi tí mo ti mọ̀ pé wọ́n ti politics gbọ́ kínní, níbi tí mo ti rí pé àwọn kan sọ pé kí gómìnà stop wọn, àwọn kan sọ pé kí gómìnà má stop wọn, wọ́n ṣẹ̀ wá jáde wọ́n protest. Láì ṣe pé gómìnà, láì ṣe pé vote wọ́n fẹ́ dìbò fún gómìnà àbọ̀ fẹ́ dìbò fún kínní pé ilé ìwé ló ní kó wọlé, ilé ní kó má bọ́ ṣe máa ń ṣe ní court. Àbá nítorí pé mo ṣàfẹ́ ní sí pé mo fẹ́ ní síbẹ̀. President Tinubu, please, because you said you don't want to intervene. Yes, we see that, but I think this is the right time for you to intervene, President Tinubu, because tí wọ́n bá ṣe the right thing, tó bá lọ gbé ẹ tiẹ̀ fún àwọn ọmọ ìlú láyè láti lè yan ẹni pé ẹni báyìí la fẹ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà kan lè máa rig. A mọ̀ wípé election Nigeria yóò kò clear. We know that. We don't have election. Not even in Nigeria, no, all over, even in America, no election. Wọ́n select ara wọn ni. Èyí tó tún jẹ́ tọmọ ìlú táwọn ìlú tún fúnra wọn select tí wọ́n ń pè lọ́ba tún fẹ́ allow àwọn ọmọ ìlú láti ṣe. Now from DSS now to EFCC, from EFCC to police now, Nigerian police now, tí wọ́n tó máa ti gbé lọ from police now wọ́n ti lè gbé lọ sí court. Ẹ mú evidence jáde, ẹ má rope èèyàn. Kí wà ní ọkọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí ẹ̀ adúpẹ́ pé tìyẹn ti die down kàtẹ̀sọ́ pé yẹn náà pẹ̀lẹ́ tó kọ lẹ́tà tó ní pé kí Ogun State government kó stop wọn láti yan ọmọ yìí. But everybody knows that it's not from Fushegbua family because all the ruling house has come out and said K1 the ultimate is not part of them. So to me tìyẹn ti settle. Now àárín ara wọn sìn ló tún wá ní problem because ẹnìkan náà nínú àwọn ọmọ oyè ló jáde ló lọ rìpọ́ọ̀tù kìíní nǹkan tó dẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ 10 million pé kó gba fọ́ọ̀mù ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti lọ́gbà wọlé and àwọn tó dẹ̀ já fọbajẹ́ ti jáde pé kì í yẹ̀ ẹ̀sùn tọ́ ni a request fún 10 million and the reason that they ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé is because of pé àwọn fẹ́ mọ̀ báwọn ẹni tó fẹ́ jọba yìí kò ṣe pé owó ìlú ló fẹ́ wá kó jẹ òun náà ní owó títí ẹ̀. And they contemplate and say, okay, no, for everybody to participate, and your 10 million kúrò there, and they refunded the money. So, what evidence do you guys want again? What evidence do you guys want again? Kò síbi tí wọ́n ti lè fún yàn lówó tó bá ti dọ̀rọ̀ kí lorúkọ ẹ̀. Yes, tẹ́ bá ṣe fẹ́ ṣe investigation ẹ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ bó tẹ́ jẹ́ kó wà transparent. Because eléyìí ti ń di pé ẹ ti fi politics ti ń wọ gbogbo ẹ̀ báyìí. Èmi believe pé President Tinubu ní láti dá sọ matter yìí because this is getting too long. Because tó bá ń ṣe báyìí bá lọ ẹ má jẹ́ kí n tàn yín àfàìmọ̀ kíkíní má tó 1 year or 2 years kó tó select the new Awujale. Kó tó select the new Awujale náà tó bá kó police station sílẹ̀ pé court ni ẹ mọye months or years tó máa fi wà ní court tí state government ò bá allow wọn láti ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kó ṣe because àwọn governors wọ́n wà very arrogant tó bá ti wà lórí seat yẹn inú yẹn máa ń kó sí power yẹn máa ń kó sí wọn lágbára pé sẹ́ kò sí wọn tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ and they forgotten that they just have 80 years but I just want to remind every one of us Osho Badalini is not there any longer. Benga Danida, I'm a boy who should power. Where is Benga Dani now? Where is Amosu? Ibukule Amosu now. Amo konti Ibukule Amosu fojú Dàpọ̀ Abíọ́dún now. Because of the candidate here. Where is Amosu now? Is ex-governor of Ogun State. Governor Dàpọ̀ Abíọ́dún, and you know the ex-governor. Very soon, very, very soon. Try to create good legacy that people will remember you for. Awujale is not for sale. Please, we are begging you, do the right thing. Allow the Kingmaker to do their process. This is not about interest ẹnìkan. Ẹ jẹ́ kó jẹ́ interest ìlú. Ẹ jẹ́ kó jẹ́ interest ìlú. Ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú Òde lèmi náà. Ẹ jẹ́ kó jẹ́ interest ìlú. Ẹ má yẹ kó jẹ́ interest just one person. Interest one person will favour gbogbo ìlú. Ìwọ nìkan ló máa favour. So we are begging you to do the right thing. I won't say more than this. My name is Lekucho Oyemi. Bye for now.